Today we're going to talk about price action without any moving average or any other indicators. So how are we going to trade using just the price itself? Using a lagging chart as usual. I usually use a lagging chart which shows the trend and everything more precise. So today is now, as I'm recording this, is 11 p.m. 23rd of May 2025. It's a Friday night. So I'm trying to explain how are you going to trade using just the price action itself without any indicator. So let's start. So how are we going to trade this kind of stock? Firstly, you just draw a simple line on all the moving average. What moving average? Okay, just draw a line on all the support areas, the main support areas that you can see at the moment. So it's quite not that difficult, somewhere around here. So just simple one will do. You don't really have to be 100% accurate, just the almost same. You don't have to be too exact as well. So this will do. Okay, so these are the main areas that we can see. This is a hourly chart. You can see here hourly chart. So these are the main areas that we can see from the main trading part. So okay, this very strong support, as we can see. All these resisted when it touched this one, and you just move upwards from whenever it touches this area. So these areas are resistance zones. As you can see, every time it tries, this is a very strong breakout, but then fail, and then very strong pullback. Then it tries again another time here, another time here as well. So this is a very strong resistance area, this area as well. And this is should be an intermediate support area. So whenever it touches here, this area, expect some kind of move upwards as well. As you can see, all these areas, just the exception is this area. It breaks below, then it tries to recapture this area, but fails. So this area actually, it lost its significant support here when it breaks below it. It tries to bounce, but it failed to bounce back again, and then goes to the stronger support area, which is this area below it. So we found out where the support areas is now. So just remove everything. All these are support areas. So whenever you're trading these kind of stocks, try to look for a very big move downwards, like this kind. A big move downwards or upwards. It depends on where you trade the stock, the direction, whether you're going long or going short. So assuming you're going for long, this kind of move downwards, although this one didn't really work out well because it breaks the support. So this is a typical failure. But then I wouldn't be entering here because it breaks the support. So this is a good one, a good entry, a good example. This is a support area just now. So whenever it touches a very strong pullback, as you can see, this one, all the candles are very big. It touches this strong support area. Whenever you see that the momentum slows down, the candles getting smaller and smaller, expect some kind of rebound upwards, which is this rebound. So if you're buying this crude oil, by the way, yeah, crude oil futures. So when it goes down to here and you buy it around $61, maybe $61, and it goes all the way up to around $62.72. So it went up quite a lot for an hour. So if you're trading this kind of stock, wait for a strong pullback into the previous support area, a strong support area preferably. If it's not strong support area, it might break below like this kind. It break below, try to recapture, and then continue downwards to the strong support area. Right now it's have some kind of support. As you can see here, it's creating a double bottom already. Let's see the daily chart. Yeah, it's still on a downtrend daily chart, so it's not really looking too good. This is a very strong support and also very strong resistance zone area somewhere around here. So you can see here, when it breaks below this area will become resistance here and here, and then the overall trend is still on the downside. How do you know? There's no moving average, right? So just look at the peak top highs, whether it's on a high or a low high. This at this moment is all on a lower high mode, so it's not looking very rosy at the moment. See, you can see that you can even draw a trend line actually, linking them up. So it's on a downtrend. So if you're trying to trade this kind of stock, you know that it's on downtrend, so try to short the stock. Every time there's a strong rally into a support area, and you can look for a slow in momentum, and then when the candlestick start changing color, you can just short it and see how it goes. Remember to use stop loss, by the way. So just like here, we know that it's on a downtrend, right? So this is where you can identify it's a downtrend. Let's see if we can draw a parallel channel somewhere here. Yeah. Like I always said, there's no fixed position of the channel or trend line. It's just something that people created it to. I think it's for look nicer maybe. So just look here, when the trend is going downwards like this, and it goes all the way up to touch the channel line, and then goes down, supported here, but then the move upwards here failed and created a double bottom. Then it tries again, it fails again, so expect some kind of move downwards. So yeah, so if you're trying to trade price action without moving average or any indicator, you can use trend line. Actually, it's a very simple tool. You can just draw like that. You know where the trend is heading towards. It's very simple. Just draw at the highest point and you can find out where it is without a moving average, and then you can just draw all those significant support areas, resistance areas, and time your entry there, like this kind. You know that this is a strong resistance area just by looking at this one. See, these areas are resisted, previous resistance area. See, so this is a very strong resistance. So when there's a move upwards, and you can see that when the momentum starts slowing down here, the candle's getting smaller and smaller, even though this changed color already, which is a good thing. So you aim to short the market, short the this for this oil futures, you short here and wait from here to all the way down to maybe you take a profit around 57 or even $60. You will make a lot of money trading this kind of move. So you have to wait for a move upwards, touches your support area, like this resistance area you can see here. This is a strong resistance area. So when you know that the market is heading downwards now, is heading south. So all you have to do is wait for them to have some kind of move upwards, like this kind, like this kind. When it move upwards and it touches the previous resistance zone, expect some kind of selling to happen. And when it happens, just short the market because the trend is heading downwards. So you short the market, take profit. This one also you short the market and take profit. So you make a lot of money trading this kind of move downwards. It's simple. It's simple. It's very basic kind of trading. A lot of people are quite confused on whether they can trade without any indicators. It can, but then you have to be very skilled at trading this kind of move. So you can see that it's very simple. Just draw a line and you know where the trend is heading downwards or upwards. Just check, make sure. Okay, like this. Why do I don't draw it here? Because the most recent is already here. You draw here, you're just trying to cheat yourself. Even though it still shows that the break below the support area, the significant support area. So if it breaks below, it's also showing that the trend is downwards. So if you're trading this kind of stock, expect some kind of move downwards and then see the momentum is slowing down. It might have some kind of rebound back, retest this resistance area now. It's previously a support area. See, it's very well supported last time. This is a weekly chart already. So when it goes down here, expect some kind of move upwards to retest this resistance area. Then maybe since it's on the downward move, just wait for it to go up. Maybe you'll just retest this one as well. Retest the trend line. Then if it starts slowing down, momentum slowing down, red candle starts appearing, you can just short it, just like here. When momentum slows down, you can just short it here, take a gamble, and then set your stop loss somewhere above, and then wait for it to go all the way down. The easy part is trading using basic tools like this. The difficult part is sitting on to the this kind of move. You will be thinking whether you should take your profit or whether you should wait longer, and all those emotions starts coming in. Check out my older videos about psychology on trading. It's very comprehensive, I think. I created quite a lot of nice content. If you are interested in this kind of trading, lagging chart, as well as this simple, try to keep things simple. That's what I try to do here. You don't really have to be accurate all the time to win. Just you can see simple kind of move. You can see this is a double top. I expect some kind of move downwards from the neckline. So it breaks the neckline. The moment it breaks the neckline, you can sort of like short it on a lower time frame. Check out on a lower time frame. Let's for fun's sake, let's check it out. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. Oops. So this is the one. Okay. Yeah. So this is the double top we saw on the weekly chart. You can see that it already shows that this is a higher top, this is a lower top. So it's not looking too good. This is the neckline. So any break below the neckline, as you can see here, when it breaks below, a rally happens, retest the neckline, and then momentum slows and breaks below again. This break below is where we will enter, and then you can try just capture it using a trend line as well. You don't really have to take profit every time the momentum slows. If you enter here, you go down all the way down to here. It's where you take your profit. So all you have to do is draw a trend line. Oh, this is nice. So when the trend line goes down all the way down like this, expect some kind of move. Like, can draw a multiple time trend line as well. So this is you don't need this one. So this is a shorter time trend line. When it touches here, it pulls back, touches here and pulls back, touch here and pulls back, and it breaks here. This break supposed to indicate that there might be a chance to trend change, but then it creates a double top again, a smaller double top, and then it breaks the neckline. So when it breaks the neckline, it goes into a small move downwards, but then in the longer period from a couple of months or 3 months or 4 months time, it somehow consolidates here, as you can see here. This consolidation period is very good for swing trading. A lot of people will just draw the lines like this. So anytime it touches these lines, like this kind, it goes near or touches somehow, because it's not really a line, it's more like a zone like this. So whenever it goes near the zone or into the zone, just wait for momentum slows down, take a position, wait for a move upwards to the opposite side, then take profit, then repeat and repeat and repeat until the formation changes. So there are a lot of good traders who trade this kind of swing trading. So right now is heading downwards. So expect some kind of move, maybe to retest here. Do you think it will come down here? It might, or it might just consolidate a few times and break up and retest this area here. What do you think? Do you think it will go up here? So because this without indicator, there is somehow a handicap, as I prefer to have at least one indicator, the moving average, which is a very good tool. But then I'll try to add other indicators in the future. Let you know how you can make use of these simple indicators to make money. Not necessary that it will make money, but at least it improves your chances of entry. I prefer to use stochastic as well, RSI as well. There's quite a few, but then the one I prefer to use is a moving average. You can use a simple moving average or even an exponential. It doesn't really matter. But then price action, you need to know about price action. It's very important. It shows that where the support areas, where how the stock is going to perform, how it will react to during touch on the previous support area, whether it will just drop down or it will resist, go back up. So there's a lot of changes, possibilities. Just study your chart. I used to study about 6 to 8 hours daily on the chart itself. So I prefer lagging charts. It shows the trend very nicely. It shows the support resistance area very nicely. It shows the momentum very nicely. So even though without a moving average, I can still find out where the trend is heading, like this one. After the double top, the trend is obviously downwards. So the trend is downwards. So I will be looking to short sell every major rebound like this kind. There's a strong rebound here. I will try to short sell when the momentum slows down. Like this kind, strong rebound. I will short sell when the momentum slows down. I might take profit or even cut loss here. Then I'll just wait for my chance. Every time there's a strong rebound, I will short sell if the trend is going downwards. So okay, I try not to make this video too long. Check out my older videos, subscribe, and maybe you will have some questions. You can ask me down there. I'll try to answer it. Actually, it's not that difficult. Just slap an indicator. Just set your charts to favorable settings that you can identify all the locations and everything that you are comfortable with. There's no fixed plus minus or anything. I always change my settings, so I'm not so sure which one is more suitable for you. Just play around with the settings. Now I'm using a smooth Heiken Ashi chart, so it's very simple. I'll just adjust the settings according to the price that I want to see, like this kind. Try to adjust it so that it's easier for me to identify where it is. There's no fixed setting for it. If you're trying to find out what's the setting, don't overcomplicate yourself. Just set it to the point that you're not too lag, but then within your comfortable range. I try to set mine is as simple as possible, but then it still shows the all the resistance, support, and all the bounce where it is. It's not too smooth, but then it works. It works. So just play around with it. Mine is smooth Haikanashi, as I said before. Just play around with it and find your own best setting for it. Every chart, every like the Nikkei and everything, you have to adjust it based on your own comfort level. It's not like this kind of too many plus minus or bounce around. Just try to smooth it out. Maybe plus one, minus one. Just adjust it accordingly. Okay, so I'll end it here. Just subscribe, share on my video. Check out my older videos. Yeah, bye.